This is Willie with the Basement Kings. We are working on our Fort Worth project. This is a historical basement that the walls were collapsing, disintegrating, and what we had to do is we had to rebuild them. We just finished removing the primary wall. Why don't you come over and take a look at it? And you'll see right here, you can see the historical rebar. It just spiraled here. And this basement, you can see how thick the walls were. It's one solid block. See this crack? All of the walls were cracking and breaking. We've taken it down. The window here, we removed the window. You can see the original brick, but right below the original brick was nothing but concrete wall, which is this thickness right here. Now, look at this wall. You'd see how the average thickness of this is at least 8 to 12 inches thick. And we removed all of the concrete wall and pan on down the wall so you'd be able to take a look. And you will see that the primary wall had collapsed. See this? It fell in. So this wall has already been rebuilt before. And they built another wall and attached to it. And it's just, look at the gaps and the holes in the wall. You can see it. It just wasn't done right. So we had to totally remove this wall. So we're going to rebuild it. So what we're going to do is we're going to start our solid wall right here below the main part and then down. So, and then we'll come across all of the utilities here and we'll build this trench here and it'll come all the way back and then we will connect it right here. As you can see, this is the wall that we have already redone. We've done this wall and the rear wall. And once this wall is totally completed, you can see we built it with 12-inch cinder block and rebar sticking out the ends, and we filled up all the cavities. So when we tie this wall into this rebar here, and you see the rebar coming out of the wall to the original rebar, we just simply removed it, and then every place where there was rebar sticking out, we're going to take this rebar and straighten it back up and tie directly into it. So we'd be tied into the original wall that was here and rebuild it all. They'll never know the difference. And then we will waterproof the wall with our crystalline waterproofing. And once we do that, you'll never even be able to tell that this is primarily cinder block. So you'll see it on one of my other videos when we tie in our drain system. So I hope you like what we're doing.
Hello, thanks for watching. If you like our video, then please subscribe or visit us at thebasementkings.net. Thank you and have an excellent day.